Hello, beauty hackers! Today we're going through the do's, the don'ts, and all the hacks for killer contouring. Hack 1. Using a foundation that's a shade darker than your skin tone is kind of a no-no. Apply hydration before application, then match your foundation to your skin tone. You could apply a concealer that is 3 shades lighter than your skin tone, but you should only go 1 shade lighter. And when applying it, less is more. Don't trace a 3 with a dark tone concealer. Do use a concealer that is 1 shade darker than your skin tone. Hack 2. 1 long straight line? Pass. Apply a light stroke between your brow and nose. Blending with the same brush will muddle your makeup. Keep it clean by using separate brushes for blending. For hack 3, we're going full power with powder. Don't go heavy on the setting powder or let it bake for more than 5 minutes. Do use a beauty sponge and apply it sparingly to your T-zone. Hack 4. Let's highlight just right. Cover your whole face with highlighter? That's a definite don't. Do, however, apply light touches with a small brush to the bridge of your nose, cheekbones, chin, cupid's bow, and the inner corners of your eyes. Hack 5. Lip contouring. Never overline with a color that's drastically different from your lipstick. Always line with a color similar to your lipstick and blend. Now let's get those brows with hack 6. Don't fully fill in your brow or outline with a concealer that's too light. Instead, draw light strokes and outline with a concealer that's identical to your foundation. Our last, but not our least hack is for the collarbone. Contour stick on the collarbone? Can we just not? Use highlighter to make that clavicle pop and those shoulders shimmer. I think we have a winner. Hope you love this video and that these hacks keep you contouring like a pro. Tell us what you think and have a great day.